Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add tags on your YouTube video from your phone. So let's start. Go to Google Play Store and search for YouTube Studio app. This app is solely made for the content creators. Now open the YouTube Studio app. And your dashboard will open. Here you will see all of your videos you have uploaded on your channel. Now select the video you want to add tags on. Here you will see the analytics of this video. At the top of the screen, you will see an edit icon beside the share icon. Tap on that. Now you can add description, select audience, add to playlist, also add tags. Before adding tags to your YouTube video, do some keyword research. Adding appropriate and most used tags will rank your video higher on the YouTube search. I'll just add a few tags to this video. Then tap Save on top right corner and your tags are added. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.